Good morning, third grade violinists. So this is your bow hold exercises that we're going to do with the actual bow this time. We'll go through the same setup that we did with the pencil earlier. I'm going to show you again where to place the dots if you're using dots. So that will go right on the inside corner tip of the thumb, top knuckle joint of these middle three fingers here, and the very tip of your pinky. Just like we did in class, you can hold on to the bow. So as you can see, towards the tip with the left hand to secure it. And we're actually going to be setting up the bow hold. For right now, this is the winding or the grip of your bow. Some of you might have a winding and just have a grip. That's fine. About 2 or 3 inches above that, that's where the bow balances. We call it the center of gravity or the balance point of the bow. Later on, we'll move down here. Right now, we're starting up a little bit higher. It's easier to hold up here. And we can go through the same setup like we did in class. We can start with the bunny rabbit. So bend that thumb of your dot hand, cover it up with your middle two fingers, make sure there's a tunnel. Sing through the step just like we did in class. That's your do, re, thumb goes underneath the bow, mi, cover up that thumb with the middle two fingers, fa, pointer finger, sol, and your pinky's up on top. We can go through the same exercises like we did in class. Also, we added your tubes. So with your left hand, you can hold on to the tube. You can make one of these at home. Just take some sheets of paper, roll it up, and tape it together. Or you can use a paper towel tubes. Works just as fine, just as well. Slide it slowly through the tube. It helps train your bow hand to keep it in a straight line. Keep the bow in a straight line, just like this. You can, like we did in class, we did it to music. So keep it nice and slow to keep your bow in rhythm. Or you can do it without music. That's just as fine. And that's it. So again, this is your classical violin bow hold.